Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I want to give a special thanks to Ringke. I reached out to this company and asked if they would give me the opportunity to review their products, and they responded and they have given me that opportunity, and I am very thankful and very blessed. Today we're going to be looking at a couple cases that they sent me for my iPhone 11. We have the Fusion X Matte Black and the Fusion Matte Clear. Thank you. Dear Anthony, thank you so much for your support. Ringke is thrilled to collaborate with you, and I hope we will have many more opportunities in the future. Please enjoy all the goodies Ringke has sent your way, including a little gift. We hope you like them as much as we do. Have a great day, Ringke. And wow. Like I said, what a blessing. And yes, I look forward in collaborating with Ringke many more times. This is the beginning, and I'm just hoping that you enjoy this review. Those of you that have enjoyed Ringke cases for many years, they have a lot of different cases for a lot of different smartphones, a huge catalog. I'm going to look at a couple today for the iPhone 11. So if you're considering bringing in a case for your iPhone 11, check these two out. You cannot go wrong. Great price points for great looking cases, but more importantly than that, great protection for your investment. And you're not going to spend a lot of money on these cases. So without further ado, let's check them out. Military grade protection, drop tested, the ultimate experience, eco package. A lot of different ways to get in touch with Ringke, www.ringke.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Very nice presentation.
Get both of these cases out of the packaging here. Super stoked. Those over to the side. Put that to the side.
A lot of different products that you can purchase over at ringke.com. Coupons. Utilize the coupons. Basically, I'm going to find a corner like that, and I'm just going to peel away. So that's one. All right, just like that. Got a little bit of residue. Get that out of there. Very nice. TPU all around this case. Very nice and flexible. Hard plastic polycarbonate back. Feels really nice. Very grippy. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be some great protection for my iPhone 11. Fusion X. Man, I love this design. Matte finish. It's hard plastic polycarbonate back as well. TPU material all around the case. Let's go ahead and put my iPhone 11 inside the Fusion X. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Product red. You can see the Apple there with the bite. The cameras, the flash. A lot of depth going on there to protect those dual cameras back there. Yeah, you don't want anything to happen to those cameras. Cutouts. At the bottom, we got the speaker cutout. The lightning charging port area cutout, and your mic cutout. Up top we have nothing. On the left we have a volume rocker up and down. You got the cutout there to mute your ringer if you choose to do so. On the right you have the power button. Let's go ahead and test out that area. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. A lot of space going on there. Want to make sure we have a lot of room for our cable that came in the box. A lot of room there to utilize third-party cables as well. You should have no issues bringing in other cables to charge your iPhone 11 with this case while sporting this case. Very nice. Wireless charging. Just like that. Let's do that again. Bam! All right, let's go for the clear. Yeah, that matte finish back there. Wow. Digging it. A lot of depth going on there to protect those cameras. A lot of depth. Power button working really good. Wireless charging working great. Volume rocker. Very clicky, very responsive. No issues there. Your ringer. Yep. Cut out for your speaker, lightning charging port area, and your mic. What we're going to do is take a couple pictures. Make sure that the cutout there isn't going to get in the way of the picture quality. And there's a lot of space going on there. I don't see any issues whatsoever, but I do this test just to show you. And what you get with the pictures is what you're going to get when shooting video. And we're going to take regular wide, ultra wide. And wow, yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. Very nice. Those pictures are going to be right there for you to look at. Again, a huge shout out to Ringke for sending me the Fusion X matte finish TPU polycarbonate case here to protect my iPhone 11. And we have the matte finish clear case that just allows you to see all the beauty of the iPhone 11. So for those of you that don't want to hide the look of your device, this is the case for you, and you're going to get a lot of protection. A lot of grip, great looking cases, drop protection, cannot go wrong. Links down below in the description area. Any questions? Leave that down below in the comment section. If I forgot anything, feel free to ask. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out.